Welcome to life as a 36-year-old where you sleep wrong on your pillow and now you wake up in the morning with like the most intense pain, and I am like crossing my fingers and just hoping that 3 ibuprofen does the job and helps me survive the day. If you're watching this in real time, you're probably actually watching it weeks after I am filming it. And right now in the world, we're dealing with the Canadian wildfires. Our air quality here in Rochester, New York is about 180 or 380, 280. I don't remember. Hey Google, what's the current air quality in Rochester, New York? Oh, I can't hear it. It's too quiet. So I've got my Celsius here. I'm gonna get ready for the day while we talk about a little bit of this social media world shenanigans. I am really excited. I'm going to an indoor play cafe to meet the owner, see the space, and see if it is somewhere that I can host a local potty party. So let's go. So here's my question for you today. How does the social media world make you feel? And specifically, how does it make you feel as a mother? So when I was listening to this radio segment, they were talking about how this whole curated internet world is making mothers feel less than, and like leaving my mess all over the floor and like my bed not made and all the things. Like I've never been fake. I've never been the kind of person to like sugarcoat or anything. But in the same token, when I am making videos for my channel, yes, I am presenting my best self because that's what I do as a professional. I chimed in on the radio station and I was like, I see both sides of it, because while like, yes, in my profession, like I have to be a certain, you know, caliber. Like people aren't gonna take my advice if I go on the camera looking like this every single day. Does that mean that I don't like wearing sweatpants and a huge sweatshirt and just being comfortable? No. It means that when I am getting ready for filming days, like I'm gonna get ready and I want to look good and I want people to view me as a professional. And I will tell you 100%, like when I'm looking to hire somebody for my business, or just like even if I need a VA to do a couple simple tasks. I was looking at somebody's Instagram page this morning and this individual just looked like a hot mess. In my opinion, I'm like, if this person can't present themselves professionally in a quick 30-second Instagram video, I don't think they're gonna have the time and ability to put forth a professional effort for what I need them to do for me. I definitely see both sides of it. I would love to just have this conversation and hear what you guys think of it, of social media and how it makes you feel. So definitely go down to the comment box and tell me your thoughts. I think I'm totally underestimating the level of pain in my neck right now, because it actually is like killing me to straighten my hair right now. Like, oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. I need some lidocaine or something. Like it really, like, it's painful to straighten my hair right now. This is the first time in my life I've ever dealt with a pain like this. Oh my gosh, it hurts so bad. I cannot take the pain any longer. I got this like Aspercream, like I don't even, okay, anyways, I'm on a time crunch and I should be leaving the house right now, but I still have to put makeup on. So let's do this real quick. Alright, this is like as good as it's gonna get today, this morning, because I gotta go. And if I'm gonna film more videos when I get home, I can always come back and do a little touch up, but let's go. Can you see how orange the sun is right now? This is from those wildfires. I don't think my camera does it justice, but that place is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I would be so excited to collaborate with this business owner. I'm obsessed. It's like, it's my vibe, and I will let you guys in on a little thing. I've always worked in early childhood. I've never had a job not working with kids. This just like lights a fire under me to kind of follow my passion for Little Sprouts. I don't even know if I should say that out loud, but I just did. So Little Sprouts it's like a business that I've like never run with. It would kind of be like a side gig to Slumber and Bloom. What it would be, and I don't know, like maybe it should all just be like under Slumber and Bloom and I should just ditch the Little Sprouts, but I think like Little Sprouts is like a compartment or whatever you call it of Slumber and Bloom. Like, do you get it? Like bloom, sprout, get it? What I want to do with it, that would be like all my events and in-person classes and like mom support groups, mom like friend circles, like all these things. That place that I just was at is so perfect. It's so perfect. It's like everything that I need in a like place. I don't need to own the place. I can rent out the place. Oh my gosh, I need to do this. Okay, let's go home and finish talking about this like social media stuff and how it's just like all fake. So I'm home from all of that. I have some stuff I need to do for my music and movement class tomorrow. Let me show you actually. I may have showed you this before, may have just showed people on Instagram, but I made these coloring sheets. This one says dance, whatever this is, jump, looking at it backwards, shake, sing, my logo, and a little thank you page. And I'm making crayons for the kids that are like animal shaped. So I need to unwrap all these crayons, melt them into my molds. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do with my Wednesday. The last time I did this, I read these directions that said to like soak the crayons in water and then the paper will all just like peel off, and that was such a mess of a project. I'm just gonna see how this goes without soaking and see if this works any better. But anyway, so talking about social media, I have definitely like been on both ends of the spectrum where like you have your mommy bloggers and your influencers and the people whose like maybe their Instagram account is their full-time job. Maybe they're actually like having sponsor deals and this and that and whatever, and like what they're posting does matter. But then like I've seen other people who like still only post their highlight reel. I've definitely been victim of the feeling of, wow, like I don't get to travel this much. Like one of my husband's friend's wife, she travels so much and I see that and I'm like, I am so jealous. I don't travel at all, and on top of that, like I don't really have anybody to travel with. Like I don't have anybody that would be like, because I would like, I would love to do that, honestly. Like I would love to have like a girlfriend that would like love to just like book trips and travel. Yes, I want to do that stuff with my family too, but I also think that doing some of that stuff alone, ooh, that one came up easy. I think that's important. Anyways, like that's irrelevant. Point being that when people only post that stuff, I'm like, wow, she's traveling again. I don't get to do any of that. Like why isn't my life as exciting? And yeah, I get upset. And then on the other end of the spectrum, there's like other people who do post all of everything that they're going through. I am definitely guilty of like rolling my eyes at these people and being like, ugh, negative Nancy, here we go again. I just kind of feel like there's no right or wrong way to go about your social media. There's no right or wrong way to feel about other people's social media. Whatever people are putting on their social media, it's just important for the person who is observing that to know that this is their highlight reel. This is not their real life. This is not every aspect of everything. And especially like when you're looking at somebody's vlog, for example, they post, oh, we had such a great weekend. They're not posting about their kids' temper tantrums or like the mess that's in the house. So it's just like, it's really important that when you're taking in all of that information on the internet, that you're actually aware and knowing that that's not 100% the reality of everyone's lives. It's just not. That is like the exact reason why I don't love social media. I don't focus my time and energy on it, and I know that, like, yeah, it probably does hurt my business in the long run that I'm not as active as I should be. It's frustrating, it's draining, and it's exhausting, and we are never getting back together. So I just wanted to share that tidbit of my day and that just kind of opinion of mine that social media is not everything that it's cracked up to be. We spend a lot of time scrolling, comparing, being jealous, being upset, wanting more because of what we're seeing on there. But just remember, if it's not serving you, get off of it. And it's okay to not be on social media. It's okay to delete it off your phone. And it's okay to just take a break. That's totally fine. I hope you enjoyed this video and keep blooming. Mwah. I'll just be here peeling crayons for the next 12 hours. Bye.